Bonjour. So I'm Ashwin Najuda, Business Development Manager of nVisionIT, and I have the pleasure to welcome you to the first ERPNext Mauritius conference. I'll introduce my CEO, Varuna Bangaleea, who's going to take you through the first presentation.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you for making time for this conference. I am Varuna Bangaleea, CEO at nVisionIT. So today we are hosting this ERPNext conference to talk about how we can help organizations like yours to implement winning ERP systems. In partnership with Frappe and Indictrans, we think we have a compelling value proposition to make for the Mauritian ecosystem and the South African ecosystem using ERPNext. ERPNext is known to be the world's most agile ERP system. It is open source and has been implemented by Frappe, which is an Indian technology company. So this is the ERP Frontrunner Quadrant by Gartner. As you can see, ERPNext is over here. It is quite high in the quadrant. To offer ERPNext to the Mauritian and South African industry, nVisionIT and Indictrans have signed an exclusive agreement. nVisionIT is a Frappe certified partner, and Indictrans is a gold partner. From Frappe, we have Bopana and Prabhat. From nVisionIT, myself and Ashwin. And from Indictrans, we have Kanaya and Krishank. But before we dive into ERPNext, let me give you a brief about nVisionIT. So nVisionIT is a professional software services company. We've been implementing business-enabling software since 23 years now as a group. The company was founded in year 2000 in South Africa. It expanded to Australia in year 2008 and to Mauritius in year 2015. From the Mauritian entity, we have been focusing on the US, South Africa, rest of Africa, and Australian markets. But from year 2018, we have shifted part of our focus to the Mauritian market. As a group, we have more than 150 customers around the world. And as you can see, we are not restricted to any specific verticals. These are some of our featured customers. Some local clients, Government of Mauritius, CWA, NPCC, MCIA, Lenscorp, and some foreign clients such as Microsoft, Standard Bank, IDEMIA, and Bidvest. So nVisionIT is the only certified Frappe partner authorized to sell ERPNext in Mauritius. We are also Microsoft partner in Mauritius and South Africa, having several gold and silver certificates. We are also partner with OnBase and DigitalOcean. This is our team in Mauritius. We are 21 professionals. We also have a dedicated team for ERPNext. So what differentiates us is that we implement agile DevOps. We also have a good reputation in delivering projects on time, within budget and scope, and all our developers are Mauritians based in Mauritius. We also have a good financial capacity. In terms of the services that we offer, we do integration on-premise and cloud, cloud infrastructure services, content services, connected office, web and mobile development, AI, and also IoT solutions. Now some recent projects we have done for the Mauritian market. For the Ministry of ICT, we have implemented the National Authentication Framework, also known as MOPAS. So MOPAS, as you may already know, is a single sign-on platform for citizens and foreigners to use e-government services. It also allows for passwordless authentication and electronic KYC with live facial recognition, which is a feature first time in Mauritius. There's no other application like this. We have also implemented the Lisboa mobile application for the Prime Minister's office to fight gender-based violence. This project has won the Global WSIS Champions Project Award for the year 2021. For the Ministry of ICT, we have also implemented an electronic queue management system. This project won the WSIS Champions Project for year 2022. For Landscope, we did a centralized digital land bank with GIS capabilities. And for MCIA, also a GIS system with interactive maps and charts. Now some projects we have delivered for foreign clients. For Microsoft, we implement proof of concept applications. When they come up with new features, new products, so we have to do a proof of concept for those to show that we can actually use that product. Okay, so we have done that for database sharding of SQL Server and for Microsoft Azure serverless technologies. For BidTravel South Africa, we have been supporting and giving maintenance to their e-procurement and e-booking system. And for IDEMIA and Standard Bank in South Africa, we are currently implementing a card management system that will be used across 10 countries in Africa. Now in terms of ERPNext, in partnership with IndicTrans, we are in the process of customizing all these modules you can see on screen here for the Mauritian market. Okay, so thank you for your attention. Do you have any questions? Okay, so I'll hand over to Prabhat to continue on Frappe and ERPNext.